In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to evaluate stratal stacking patterns using the HorizonCube slider. The common stacking patterns are aggradation, progradation, retrogradation, and a combination of these. First, add the inline 425. Select the seismic volume. Then add the HorizonCube display. For better color contrast, you may want to change the color of the background seismic to the grayscale, like that. So now you can launch the HorizonCube slider. Play with the sliders by moving the top slider and observe the changes in the scene. And here's an example illustration of making observation. Here's aggradation mainly. If we start moving upward, we can see the aggradation to a progradation pattern. Moving more upward, you can see the progradation pattern in this area, but also the subperial exposure or the unconformity. This concludes this exercise.